Every day, 24/7, 10 days a week, 550 days a year, we're baking. We're baking for all of the people who never got their cookie.
And today we are baking cookies for our first subscriber.
And over here we have our soft Choco Chunks cookies made in America but produced in Germany.
And let's begin.
First we start off by opening the box and having a look what's inside.
Here we have our cookie dough mix, and here are the choco chips.
So the total ingredients for our awesome subscriber cookies are
Butter, cookie dough mix, chocolate chips, an egg, and an empty bowl of nothing.
So without further ado, let us begin by cutting the butter.
First, we take our cutting board and a big good knife.
Afterwards, we cut our butter right in the middle.
With everything set in place, it is time to get our empty bowl of nothing and open the cookie dough mix.
This is how the mix looks if you guys are curious.
Afterwards, we take our egg and break it right inside.
We then add the butter, I hold the bowl, and Iran starts to mix.
Next, we use a spoon to grab all of the remaining dough.
And once we're done mixing, this is how our cookie dough looks.
Now we get our tray and it's time to make the shapes.
As you guys can see, we don't have that much cookie dough, but it's actually enough for 9 big cookies.
After I made the shapes, I carefully added choco chips, and then I added even more choco chips.
Afterwards, we take the tray with the cookies to our imaginary oven Pinocchio, which sometimes works and sometimes doesn't work.
10 to 12 minutes.
Okay. Here it goes. And as you guys can hear, our oven is not working. Let's try again. Hey, now it's working. So here they are. And we're gonna see what happens.
After waiting for what felt like forever and shooting a little time lapse for you guys, our cookies were finally ready.
Unlike all of those other YouTubers, we actually care and we deliver.
These cookies are for our first ever subscriber.
The cookies look soft and are full of chocolate. We're very thankful for everyone's support.
Thank you guys for watching and stay awesome.
Brain damage successfully delivered.